I'm sorry, but yesterday I was sick. I still am. That's why I'm off of school right now. I recommend you watch her. She needs more subscribers. And let's get on with their video. Who's your favorite YouTuber? Jacksepticeye? How long have you been making YouTube videos? I think about 2 or 3 weeks. Where am I from? I'm not allowed to give that info out. I'm sorry. What's your favorite kinds of music? I mean, I don't know what type of music it is, but I like a certain band. And it's called Panic at the Disco. Whatever you like to call that, I like it. When did you discover the furry fandom? A few years ago. What do you want to do in the future? I want to do YouTube. Like, I don't know, travel to Ireland or something. What is your favorite color? Green. How tall are you? 5'6", I think. What's your favorite show? I don't think I have one. I mean, some sort of Pokemon, I guess. Do you have any gaming consoles? I mean, got a PS4, but I don't use it that much. Also, would you ever do a face reveal? Yes, when I hit 50k subs. No, just 50 subs. That's all the questions that I got. Well, the Q&A over.